Hi, I'm Jamie Stewart, president of Mega Media Factory, and today I'm excited to announce the Mega Media Industrial ENC series of weather and security enclosures for the ZeeVee ZyPer4K-XS AVoIP decoder. One of the biggest issues with digital media players and AVoIP is how to secure and protect your investment from theft, vandalism, and for outdoor applications, weather. Putting your expensive device out in the open simply just won't work for many applications. To solve this issue, we developed a simple, easy to install, maintenance-free enclosure that works perfectly with many of today's leading manufacturers. Here I have our ENC1210, which is purpose-designed and engineered for this application. The enclosure is built from 18-gauge powder-coated steel with hidden hinges and sealed gaskets, and has built-in mounting holes for easy installation. With 4 1-inch holes on the bottom, cabling is easy with the included split glands. We also include 2 vent plugs and an integrated exhaust fan to allow for airflow. Installation and service couldn't be simpler. Mount your enclosure to your wall or surface with any screw or bolt. Attach your ZyPer4K-XS to the mounting plate with the included stainless steel hardware. Then, secure your player assembly into the enclosure with 4 easily accessible nuts. Using the supplied cable glands, route your HDMI and network cables into the enclosure and connect to the media player. Power the entire system with power over Ethernet, and that's it. As you can see, the Mega Media Industrial ENC1210 is designed to reliably protect your AV-over-IP and digital signage investment while offering flexibility. Safe, secure, simple, and maintenance-free, the ENC1210 should be included with any outdoor media application, and in circumstances where unauthorized access is a concern. We offer enclosure options as well as bundles including popular media players and AVoIP decoders. Custom powder coat colors as well as vinyl wrapping is available. We also offer consulting and creative professional services to help you design and deploy your system. For more information or to purchase, visit us online at megamediaindustrial.com.